These AI guru videos sharing advice on discipline, success, and personal growth are going viral on Instagram right now, and some of them are getting millions of views. Today, I'll show you how to create these exact AI guru videos using AI. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. Then go to Explore GPTs and search for Guru Shortmaker. Once you find it, click on Start Chat. Now click on Create Your Guru. It will ask you a few details like age, gender, niche. For example, I'll enter Asian 55 to 60 years old male wearing a luxury suit sitting in a luxury car niche. Discipline. Now click Run. ChatGPT will generate a master prompt, multiple alternative prompts, and video prompts. Now copy the master prompt. Go to Flow AI and click on Create Image. Choose Aspect Ratio, Number of Outputs. Paste the prompt and click Generate. Within seconds, your images are ready. Now go to Create Video in Flow AI. Select Frames to Video. Choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs. Upload the generated image as frame 1. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Paste it into Flow AI and click Generate. And just like that, your AI Guru video is ready. Take a look.
Discipline is not something you use when you feel motivated. It is what replaces motivation. The man who waits for feelings will always remain.
It looks realistic and engaging. You can now download it and use it for your content. Here's another one I created using the same method.
Your life changes the moment you stop negotiating with your weaknesses. Discipline is not harsh. It is freedom in disguise.
And that's how you can create these viral AI Guru videos and grow your account. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Reavron for more AI tutorials. And comment below what type of AI videos I should cover next.